About 2 years ago now, we approached SolarSense with a project to look at replacing the solar array system on our site at Trowbridge. And as part of that, we needed to remove an old solar array system. Key part for us was making sure that the removal of that solar array system didn't just go to waste, didn't get just put in landfill, but actually a better solution was found for it. And we worked really closely with SolarSense to find a way to reuse those panels. And that's what we've now done here at Paul's Place.
With our partnership, we get in contact with Paul's Place, and then we've ended up donating 159 panels, which will equate to about 41 kilowatt peak and about 35,000 kilowatt hours a year, which should have a substantial impact on this premises behind me.
It's an amazing place. It's where we host physically disabled adults who come together and have extended a social activity and a social experience. Paul's Place Hub has been completely renovated. It means we've got more space. It means we can increase our membership. On the hub, we have a massive expanse, and we are having hundreds of solar panels being put on the roof. Running costs will decrease. It means our sustainability will increase because we'll have more money to actually spend on the members as opposed to the utilities of the building. Having somebody who comes along and says, actually, we can do this for you. Not only can we put the panels on, but we can put the scaffolding on, and we can put the inverters on, and we can put the fire kill switches on, and we can make it all happen, is a real big impact for us as a very small charity. I mean, prior to this, we were looking potentially at electricity bills up to £1,200 to £1,500 a month. Well, when you put that across a year, that's a phenomenal amount of money as a charity you need to raise just at the beginning of every year to get us through to the next year. So the impact that this is having is phenomenal, really.
You know, money's always difficult, and I think we're in an economy at the moment where energy prices can go here, there, and everywhere. We've had that over recent years with everything that's gone on with the world. So solar doesn't just give you a saving, it also gives you a position of resilience. You're no longer reliant on a proportion of energy from the grid. So in the future, you're protected, if you like, from economic changes in the outside world, and that will definitely help support a place like this going forward.
I think the donation of these panels will make a real difference here at Paul's Place and really help with the development of this new site and making sure that it's running on as much renewable energy as possible, helping them to concentrate their efforts on helping the community that they serve, not on worrying about electricity bills.